So our bottle gourd vine is growing well, and these are the first two bottle gourds we had. This one is so big and yet it has a lot of bristles on it, so that means it is still young, so it's not like overripe, but maybe in a few days we should cut it and use it, otherwise it will form seeds inside and it will not taste that great. Here is another one on the side growing. So actually it is very difficult to tame. Once the vine starts to grow well, and even if you have trellis or whatever, it just goes out of proportion. But it's good when it is bearing fruit, that's all that matters. It grew big, and now we're thinking of harvesting it. And I lost those pictures of taking the weight, but you can see, how big it is. So here is another vine we have. Look at this. How big is this bottle gourd? Like my forearm. It's just probably 3 times my forearm. I'm going to cut it. And let's see how much it weighs. So it is 1870 grams or 4.2 pounds or 1.87 kgs, actually 4.1 pounds and 66 ounces. So here are some more bottle gourds going. So in the beginning they were growing in 1 or 2s, and after some time they just started to grow so many together. Like in this one branch, at one time there were like 7 bottle gourds there. But it was amazing, we couldn't eat so many bottle gourds, so we were just giving it away to friends and neighbors basically. This is the other side, and it also had 4 bottle gourds growing at the same time. And now they have grown bigger, and some of them dried out. I think, when on one branch there are so many bottle gourds, then all of them will not grow. And on this side also, instead of 4, now only 2 are growing well. All in all, we had a very good crop. We just composted it every once in a while. We watered it regularly. We hand pollinated it when we saw that there are not enough pollinators. And we grew them in containers. So if you like to eat bottle gourds, then give it a try. It's really fun. And if you have not seen my other 2 videos on bottle gourd, I'm going to put the links in the description.